We stand and fight when madness comes to conquer life, and we will hold the light when fury comes and armies rise. We